We needed wipers for our 2005 Saturn Vue. I mean, really needed wipers. Don't judge, we live in Tucson, Arizona and rarely use our windshield wipers. Since we have been ordered to stay at home thanks to the Mexican beer virus, I jumped onto the internet, navigated my way to the Walmart website, only to discover they don't have any that fit. I checked on Autozone too. They have wipers, but they are crazy expensive. Of course, I checked Amazon.com and found my wipers. Windshield wipers, ASLAM Type-G, 24-inch, 19-inch wiper blades, all-season blade for original equipment replacement, refills, replaceable, double service life, set of 2. I won't read all the specs, but it said what I needed it to say. But not one set, 2 sets. 2 complete sets of wipers for $19.54 at the time I purchased those. These were Amazon Prime too, so I didn't have to pay shipping. I ordered these on April 17th, 2020, but due to the coronavirus crisis, they didn't arrive until April 26th. That's okay. I don't think windshield wipers are critical enough to delay medical equipment right now. My first impression was great. The packaging was high quality. All the instructions were printed right on the box. I saved it for future use. The blades are smooth and the whole unit feels tough and ready for long use. It does appear to be aerodynamic too. Once I figured out how to remove the old ones, these went on the car super easy, and a quick operational check showed they fit and work great. Okay, so this little tab comes open like that. This goes right in the hook. You pull it this way until it stops, and then you push this down to lock it. All finished. Based on my first impression, ease of installation, and overall quality, I am very happy with these wiper blades. It appears they have many sizes to fit many vehicles. I would buy them again.